Hello everyone, welcome back to JTVK. In this video, we'll be learning how to use rings. For those who are new to rings, this is a video for you because we'll go through step by step how to use gymnastic rings for a push workout, not pull, push workout efficiently and how to make the most out of it from gymnastic rings. So let's start. So first and foremost, why do we use rings? We can just do it on the floor, push-ups, dips, parallel bars, but why rings? It's because personally, I think rings provide a better range of motion. And you'll get what I'm trying to say in a bit. Second, it allows your body to go through the motion that your body wants to. What I meant by that is, the rings are very flexible and it's very comfortable for your joints, your shoulder, your elbow, your wrist. It just feels better comparing doing push-ups on the floor. Number three, because it provides a lot of instability, hence you need to use a lot of micro muscles, stabilizers to balance yourself. As a result, more muscle and strength gains. So rings are just beautiful, and what's more important is number four, you can bring these rings anywhere you go. You are just hanging on the pull-up bar right now, you can hang on the playground, on a tree, and anywhere. As long as you can hang this on something, you can use the rings. So if you're a big fan for rings just like me, comment down below and tell me where you hang your rings and where do you normally work out. And let's start with how to use rings now. Let's take a look at the push-up position. I also have a video covering how to do push-ups. I'll link it in the description down below or somewhere in the video. Do check that out. So if you get to a push-up position, and if we were to do a push-up that looks like, you know how a push-up looks like all the way up, all the way down, way up, all the way down. It is good on its own, but if we were to bring it to the rings, that's like a whole new level. So let's take a look at if we were to put that push-ups into rings, how would it look like? So, the ring push-up position, PPT, track, retract, go all the way down, come back up. That was just an example of from a floor push-up and you do it on the rings. Not much of a difference except it's unstable. Now, it's not that simple. We have to do something whenever we use rings for a push-up. And that's the only point you'll learn today. What is it? Ring turnout, RTO.
Oh my god! Wow!
It's basically our wrist position, ring turning out. So I'm going to explain very detailed right here. This is our ring push-up. Just now what we did, then as you can see, we go all the way up, all the way down. For every pushing exercise using gymnastic rings, we have to do this RTO. Basically, if you can look at my wrist right here, I'm basically just turning my wrist outward, just like that. That simple is going to bring your push-up to the whole new level. Why? Because from here, you're just extending your wrist, right? That's a full push-up position. But for now, using rings, you have to twist it and you will feel a lot of tension where? Firstly, on your chest, and your elbow will feel a lot more. Now, I know what are you going to say. We're just doing push-ups. Why do we care about the elbows? If you're a calisthenics practitioner or you do calisthenics in general, you would have to need a straight arm strength in future progressions like planche, and it helps you to prepare your tendons. Not only just that, it helps you to give a strong straight arm pushing strength. So this is very important. As we turn out, you will feel a lot of pressure here, as well as if we protract, we will engage a lot of chest muscles. And that's what we want, right? Hypertrophy and engaging the chest muscle as much as possible, right?
Yeah, boy.
As you do a push-up, you're just doing this. But right now, as for rings, you're doing this. You will realize that your chest, the muscle fibers in your chest, engages a whole lot more compared to push-up. So let's just take a look again. How do we do this? Rings in front of you. I want you to put just a little weight on the rings to get that feel of it. So it looks like this. Ring push-up position, okay? And just imagine that you're turning up. Like that, okay? We are looking at not turning up 180 degrees, that's like crazy. Let's not do that. We're just turning out 45. So which means your wrist is facing each other and just turning out facing 45 degrees. Just like that. Not a lot, and you're facing 45 degrees. And that's RTO. So how do we progress in RTO? Keep in mind that this is quite heavy on the tendons, on the elbow. We're going to do this progressively. What I always ask my clients to do is, get into a full push-up position and try to just hold the RTO position like this. Okay, and you immediately feel a lot of tension here. Okay, not to forget, you should also protract and depress in the position to feel more stable. Protract, depress, RTO, just like that. Now, what happens if we don't protract and depress? You will feel a lot more unstable. So if you're gonna push up position and you RTO, what happens if you don't retract and protract? You'll feel very wobbly and it's unstable. So keep in mind that you have to stabilize your shoulder blades, protract and depress and RTO. That way it's very stable. It is very important to do that in a RTO push-up hold. For the push-up hold, if you think this is too difficult, yes, another beauty of the ring is you can scale the intensity with the rings. You can just move your rings up and do the same thing. That way it's easier. So let me show you. Just now we did a ring turn-up position here, right? If you think this is too difficult, just simply move your feet up, and then RTO. And trust me, it'll feel a lot easier compared to here. That's the beauty of rings. You can scale the intensity just by moving up. Okay? If you're confident with RTO push-up hold, you can now try with a RTO support hold. This is another variation that we can do to strengthen our RTO. So what you're gonna do is just get inside, your sitting position, straighten your arms, protract and depress, and just RTO. Just like that. If you're confident with the RTO support hold with your bent leg, you can try straight leg. Put one leg out and RTO, and you feel a big difference right here. Gradually, you can just put both legs out and just RTO. This is difficult. Try this if you want to give it a try. So how do we use RTO in a push-up, which was shown in the start of the video? I'm going to teach you how. So the idea of using RTO in a push-up is basically just ending every rep of your push-ups with RTO. In a push-up position, we look like this, right? We RTO. As I'm about to go down, I will keep it neutral. I will go into a push-up position, go down, and come all the way up. Once I straighten my arm, then I RTO. Some common mistakes are they don't straighten their arm when they RTO. Okay, for example, some are always going down and come up, but as they haven't straightened their arms and then they RTO, that is a sign of weaknesses in your straightening part. So you have to really straighten it first and then RTO. Straighten your elbows first before you RTO. If you're not straightening your elbow, don't RTO. Alright, neutral, go down, come back up, straighten the elbows, RTO. Okay, a bad example will be go all the way down, come back up, RTO. See, look at the difference. I have to straighten my elbows just like that. If you find doing push-ups with RTO at this scale difficult, same thing, you just have to simply move up your feet. If this is too difficult for you, just move one feet up and do push-ups from here. Straighten the arms, RTO. If this is too hard, move up again, push, back up, RTO. And scale accordingly to your strength levels. Not just push-ups, you can also use the RTO support hold to progress with some dips. RTO. Neutral, dip, come back up, RTO. If band leg gets too easy, you can always straighten your legs out. Okay, RTO, bend, dip, come up, straightening your elbows, RTO. So that's the basic of using rings for any pushing exercise. Make sure you use RTO, ring turn out, for your push-up, for your dips, for your tricep dip, any pushing movement, and it creates so much instability that your whole body is working when you do a push-up. So comparing you do push-ups on the floor and comparing you do push-ups on the rings with RTO, it's a two different world of push-ups already. If you want to do push-ups without RTO, that's fine too. You just straightening your arms and come back down, that's fine too. But personally, I would always use RTO because the benefit is already there for you to pursue it. So why not just RTO and get the most out of it? If you have Instagram, do follow my page. I'm gonna put it somewhere here, and do tag me if you're new to rings and you're using RTO in your push-ups, in your dips, and basically your ring workout. If you think this video is helpful, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you know there's a new video next time. Share it to your friends who are new to ring workout, and RTO all the way. And I'll see you in the next video.